Okay, so I'm doing question number 1 for the graphing exponential functions video project thingy. And the question will be f of x equals 3 with the exponent of x minus 1 minus 2. Alright, so usually without the transitions, the graph will look like it will have an asymptote of 0, so it will never touch 0, and it will have a point at 1 right here, and then where it's 1 it will point at 3. Now this is really all you need to know, and everything's just basic pi, like it's literally a cakewalk. So we know that there's 1 point in 1, right? That's supposed to be in there if there's no transitions, and a 1 point in 1, 3. Now since there are transitions, sorry, I just gotta close something on my computer. Now, since there are transitions, all we need to do is just move these 2 points, right? Move just these 2 points to wherever we're transitioning to. So in this case, it will be -1 and -2. And then so technically, the equation is really just a minus, no, sorry. It's, what is it? A powered by minus h and then plus k, and where a is the number, and then x is just x, and then h is the x value, and then k is the y value. So in this case it will be minus, so it will be x minus 1 and minus 2. Now since x minus h is the original equation, this is 1 is technically a positive, so we move these points 1 ahead, right? So it will be here and here, right? But we got another transition, so it's -2. So we gotta put these 2 points down 2 points, which is -1, right? Because 1.0 and then 1.1 is 2 points down, so it's -1. And in this point right here, you go at 2 points down, so it's 1, 2. That goes on 1, right? And then we can just erase these other points because we don't need them anymore. That won't go away. Okay, so what else do we need to do? So the isotope, it was originally 0, but we moved it down by 2 points, so the isotope will be here. So isotope is -2. So all you need to do is just draw a line that technically will never touch 0 since it's isotope, but it will keep getting closer to it, to infinity. Yeah, it will never touch 0. So like the fraction or the decimal will just keep getting bigger and bigger, but never touch 0. And you connect the dots. Let's try that a little bit better this time. Alright, you connect the dots, and then if you want to find extra additional points to plot above, so for example for 3, you just need to plug 3 in the x value. So you plug 3 on here, so it'll be 3 powered by 3 minus 1 minus 2. But let's just say I'm too lazy to do that. It's like 3 a.m. in the morning for me right now, so I don't want to plot any more points, so I'm just gonna keep estimating how it will go, and then that's pretty much how you draw your exponents. I mean, what is it? Graphing, yeah, exponential functions. Now for range, or domain for whatever whatever exponential functions you have, domain is always -infinity to infinity. And then for range, now since we have a -2 on the k value, so we have minus k, right? And then since minus 2, and then we move 2 down. And this is range is the y, like how many of this line will touch a value of y. Well, we know that this negative 2 is the asymptote, so it will never touch 2, so it will be, so range will be anything that's above negative 2. So yeah, that's range. And for domain, I will be just negative infinity to infinity. Yeah, that's pretty much it.